I think learning about interventional pulmonary from our team of physicians and different people we work with at the bedside, learning from our patients, that is all great. But there's something really special about being in person with other folks who are doing this kind of work. There's something energetic and empowering, and you end up having these kind of conversations that aren't as easy to have either on the phone or on Zoom or whatever it may be. So I think this is a really, really unique experience to come in person, really rub shoulders with other people who are doing the same work with as you are, just on a different, in a different state or country or whatever.
Yeah, the networking for our group, I think, is essential. Knowing who your peers are, who you can go to, who to contact, where to send patients if there's clinical trials somewhere, and who to reach out to, I think is one of the best parts about the conference, is the networking. And then, learning about the new things that are upcoming, it gets me excited about, I want to be involved in that. Like, how do I help my physicians, bring that to our institution, and what role can I play? And then I think another thing, especially this year, we have many of our APP and allied health members presenting their research and in the poster sessions. And I think it's a great way to, get your feet wet into, research and presenting.
After conference, when we go back home and we may face some kind of problem or some kind of issue that comes up that maybe I don't know the answer, but I can call Rebecca because she might have seen it before. After we made that connection at conference, I felt, more comfortable reaching out to her or other colleagues that I met. So we established some kind of special relationships here and really open up these, avenues of communication that, really the more we talk about the issues that are going on in our field right now, the better that we can be as providers and the better we can serve our patients.
Yeah, AABIP really has a lot of leadership roles that I think APPs and nurses and respiratory therapists who are looking for some leadership in an organization, they can find that here.